Welcome to the heart of the industry, where nature meets technology to process the incredible Amla fruit.
Known as the Indian gooseberry, this potent fruit is harvested in vast orchards before its industrial journey.
Skilled farmers carefully gather the harvest, ensuring that only the highest quality fruits make the final cut. These trucks transport tons of fresh raw material daily to meet the massive demand for Amla products. Upon arrival at the processing plant, every vehicle undergoes a strict security check to ensure safety standards.
As we prepare to enter the factory, and please hit the subscribe button to see more manufacturing insights.
The raw Amla fruits are unloaded into massive hoppers that feed the initial automated production line conveyors. Conveyor belts transport the bulk fruit upwards, creating a continuous flow of raw material into the facility.
Powerful air blowers strip away leaves and debris, ensuring that only the fruit enters the washing stage.
The fruits plunge into agitated water tanks, where dirt is loosened by bubbles and constant water circulation. This deep cleaning process is essential to remove surface contaminants and prepare the skin for further processing.
High-pressure jets blast the fruit from all angles to ensure absolute cleanliness before the inspection phase.
Trained quality control staff visually inspect the line to manually remove any fruit that is not perfect. Only the firmest and healthiest amlas are allowed to proceed to the next stage of automated grading. Vibrating tables separate the fruits by size, directing them to different processing lines based on their diameter. Larger fruits are often reserved for candies or murabba, while smaller ones are sent for juice extraction.
We first follow the juice production line, where fresh amlas are fed into a heavy-duty industrial crusher.
The powerful blades instantly shred the hard fruit into a fine pulp, breaking down the fibrous structure.
This nutrient-rich pulp is then transported via screw conveyors to the pressing station for liquid extraction.
Hydraulic presses apply immense pressure to the pulp, forcing every drop of vital juice into collection trays.
The raw juice is collected and pumped through transparent pipes toward the initial filtration and clarification unit.
A high-speed centrifuge spins the liquid to separate heavy sediments, resulting in a cleaner and smoother juice.
Technicians constantly monitor the acidity and pH levels to ensure the juice maintains its natural health benefits. The juice enters a flash pasteurizer, where it is briefly heated to eliminate bacteria without destroying vitamins. This rapid heating and cooling cycle extends shelf life while preserving the distinct taste of fresh amla.
The pasteurized juice is stored in large, sterile stainless steel tanks before it is routed for bottling.
Now we switch to the sing line, where whole fruits are prepared for making fola candy.
The pricked fruits are dropped into hot water for blanching, which softens the texture and reduces bitterness.
After a precise amount of time, the fruits are lifted, drained. In the adjacent kitchen area, workers prepare a concentrated sugar syrup that will preserve and sweeten the fruit. The prepared fruits are submerged in the syrup tanks, where they will soak for several days to cure.
Over time, the osmotic process draws out the water and replaces it with sugar, preserving the amla naturally. Once fully cured, the fruits are removed from the tanks and spread out evenly onto large drying racks. The racks are wheeled into tunnel dryers, where controlled warm air removes excess moisture to prevent stickiness. Emerging from the dryer, the amla candy is now firm, dry to the touch, and ready for seasoning.
Some batches are tumbled in large drums with spices to create a savory version of the healthy snack.
Another section of the factory is dedicated to grinding dried amla slices into a fine, nutrient-dense powder.
High-speed pulverizers smash the dried slices into microscopic particles, ensuring the powder is smooth and easily soluble. The ground material passes through a vibrating sieve that catches any coarse particles, ensuring a uniform final texture.
Quality control is paramount, so samples are taken from every batch to test for purity and potency.
The lab verifies moisture content and vitamin C levels to ensure the product meets international export standards.
Back on the liquid line, empty bottles are transported via air conveyors to the automated filling station. Before filling, every bottle is inverted and rinsed with sterile air or water to remove any dust.
The high-speed filling machine accurately dispenses the exact volume of Amla juice into each passing bottle.
Immediately after filling, the bottles are capped and sealed tight to lock in the freshness and flavor.
An induction sealer applies a foil seal to the neck, ensuring the product remains tamper-proof and safe.
The bottles pass through an air dryer to remove external moisture, ensuring the labels will stick perfectly.
Automated machines wrap the vibrant labels around the bottles, adding the branding and nutritional information for consumers.
Robotic arms group the finished bottles into precise arrangements, preparing them for the shrink wrapping or boxing stage. The bundles are wrapped in plastic film and pass through a heat tunnel to create a secure pack. Workers or machines then load these bundles into sturdy cardboard cartons designed to withstand shipping and handling.
The cartons are automatically sealed with strong adhesive tape, ready to be stacked onto pallets for storage.
Beyond food products, this factory also processes Amla oil, a popular ingredient for hair care and cosmetics. Dried Amla pieces are submerged in base oils like coconut or sesame to infuse their nutrients slowly.
Gentle heating helps extract the beneficial compounds from the fruit, turning the oil a rich, dark color. The infused oil is then filtered through multiple layers of mesh to ensure a clear and smooth product.
This specialized cosmetic line fills smaller bottles with the potent Amla oil, ready for the beauty market.
Precision machines cap and label these smaller containers, ensuring they look premium on the retail store shelves. The factory operates like a synchronized orchestra, with juice, powder, and oil lines running efficiently side by side. Sustainability is key, so the leftover seeds and fibrous pulp are collected for processing into biofuel or compost.
Nothing goes to waste here, as the organic byproducts are converted into energy to help power the plant.
A dedicated team of engineers performs regular maintenance to keep these complex machines running at peak performance daily.
At the end of every shift, a rigorous sanitation protocol cleans the equipment to maintain high hygiene standards.
Back in the packaging zone, the sealed boxes are stacked onto wooden pallets in specific interlocking patterns. A stretch wrap machine secures the entire pallet load, ensuring stability during the long transport to distributors.
Forklift operators skillfully maneuver the heavy pallets, transporting them from the production floor to the massive warehouse.
The warehouse is a masterpiece of logistics, storing thousands of units ready to be shipped globally. Logistics managers use advanced software to track every batch, ensuring the oldest stock is shipped out first. When orders arrive, the pallets are loaded into shipping containers destined for markets across the entire world. The containers are sealed and locked, marking the end of the manufacturing process and the start of distribution.
From the orchard to the truck, the Amla has undergone a remarkable transformation into various value-added products.
The facility produces a diverse range of items, including immunity-boosting juice, digestive candies, and cosmetic oils.
The juice is a favorite morning ritual for many, providing a massive dose of vitamin C and antioxidants.
The candy offers a sweet way to enjoy the benefits of the fruit without the intense sourness.
Health enthusiasts often use the powder form in smoothies to boost their immunity and improve overall digestion.
The oil remains a traditional secret for strong, shiny hair, processed with modern hygiene to ensure purity.
Amla is a superfood powerhouse, containing up to 20 times more vitamin C than an average orange.
As the sun sets, the factory continues to hum, driven by the global demand for natural health products.
The workforce is the backbone of this operation, ensuring that quality is maintained around the clock every day.
Modern factories like this are also investing in renewable energy to reduce the carbon footprint of production.
Water conservation systems capture rain and recycle processed water, making the facility environmentally friendly and highly sustainable.
In the R&D wing, food scientists are constantly experimenting to create new and tasty Amla innovations.
They test different flavor combinations and packaging designs to keep up with the changing preferences of consumers.
Today, the products made in this very facility are exported to Europe, America, and the Middle East. This industry supports thousands of rural farmers, providing them with a steady income and a reliable market. New saplings are planted regularly to ensure that the supply of this miracle fruit continues for generations.
From the crusher to the bottling line, we have witnessed the incredible journey of the humble Amla. It is a blend of ancient Ayurvedic wisdom and modern industrial engineering, delivering health to your doorstep. The scale of operation required to process tons of fruit daily involves precise planning and execution excellence. Automation continues to evolve, with smart robots and vehicles handling the heavy lifting in modern storage facilities. Certifications for safety and organic standards are proudly displayed, serving as a promise of quality to customers.
Every package that leaves this facility carries a mark of origin, representing the pride of local manufacturing.
As we conclude our tour, we appreciate the journey from a simple tree to a finished product.
The modern Amla factory stands as a testament to how we can harness nature through industrial innovation.
Ultimately, the goal is to improve lives by making this superfood accessible to people all over the world.
We hope you enjoyed this exclusive look inside the fascinating world of industrial Amla fruit processing today.
If you found this process interesting, please like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below.
Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the amazing world of modern manufacturing and food technology.